So today, I just want to give you a really short tutorial on how to share a project in Design Space, whether if it's your project or just something that you happen to find. In order to share a project in Design Space, it generally will make you go into your stuff, then you go to your project, like I'm going to do here. I'm going to share this particular project, which is a guide that I created for Print and Cut. So you just kind of fill up the space in the guide, and then it lets you get the most out of your Print and Cut page, so you're not wasting so much paper. In order to share this, it's going to tell me I need to add a photo. It says it's currently private, and I can add photos at any time to be able to share. So we're going to do that. Since there's not really much to add a photo of, I just took a screenshot of what my screen looked like. And here's the screenshot right here. So I've added my photo, and then we're going to add a description. Make sure I didn't misspell anything. Oh, like this. It does not contain mature context. And let's see, I'm going to put template here, and then we're just going to save. Okay, now, since it has a photo, it'll let me share this. Now, keep in mind, you can only, if you want to share something that you have an uploaded image in, it's only going to let somebody look at it. Nobody else can cut that project. It has to only be Design Space fonts and images for you to actually be able to share so that somebody else can make it. So now I'm going to click the share button, and it says everything's great, it's ready to go, and then I'm going to tell it to share to Design Space. Now it's active in Design Space. Now, let's say I wanted to post that in a group or something. Well, what I would do, me personally anyway, I would just hit this copy link, and then I would go to the group that I wanted to post it in, and I would post that as a post in the group, and then it would have an automatic thing that would show that. Let's see. Let's go to this group, and then I right click and paste, and then, and then post. Okay, nobody's going to realize what that is because it's kind of hard to see, but that's the general idea. Now, let's say you were in Design Space. Let me get out of this. Let's go to our home screen. All right, let's say we're just in Design Space and we want to look through some stuff that other people have done. Like you've got projects here for you, you've got a first day of school board, or maybe you like this classroom banner. Okay, let's try that one. Now let's say you wanted to share this in a Facebook group. You do the same exact thing, only you don't have to add a photo because the person who created this already did. All you do is click this little arrow down here that says share, and then you can copy the link and go post it to Facebook in whatever group you want. You could also click this link for Facebook if you're and log in and all that, but that'll put it directly on your profile and not necessarily in a group if that's what you were aiming for. That's why I always just do the copy link and then I go post it. So it would be the same thing. I would copy link, and then I would go to whatever Facebook group I wanted to post it in. I would right click and paste the link and then click post. It's that easy. And when it's done, usually what will happen is the picture of the project will show up here. Let's see if I can get that one to show up. Well, it's not going to show it for me at this particular moment, but it'll probably show its picture later on. But that's the gist of it. It's really honestly very easy. There's also tutorials on the Cricut website that walk you through with pictures showing you how to share projects on computer as well as on mobile. Trying to show you how to do it on mobile in a video is kind of tough because it's really hard to get the camera to focus on an iPad or a phone. But this should help you out if you were having trouble figuring it out. And happy crafting.